When I was a kid, I used to make these little pocket slingshots out of my mom's old rubber gloves, a top of a water bottle, and some tape. They were a lot of fun to use, but I need something that packs more of a punch now. So when Pocket Shot reached out to me to test their products, I had to say yes. I mean, look at this. My homemade Pocket Shot didn't even leave a dent. But the actual Pocket Shot embeds deep into the styrofoam. So needless to say, I'm excited. They sent me this little care package, and inside, I had the Pocket Shot. And another Pocket Shot that comes with a stronger Pro pouch, a speed loader, another pouch, a pack of 150 practice ammo shots, a pack of 100 steel ammo shots, and then on their website, you can find even more options, like a survival kit, a handle, or an arrow pouch. But I've got more than enough to get started, so I took it out to my axe throwing range and got used to it using the practice ammo. It took a little bit of getting used to, and the aim definitely takes some time to get dialed in. And you also have to make sure you have a good grip, or else it will launch out of your hands. But even with the practice ammo on the standard pouch, it's pretty strong and embedding inside the styrofoam. And after some shooting, I started getting the aim locked down and was getting close to my targets. So I think it's time to set up the Pro pouch and upgrade to the steel ammo. So I used the cap to unscrew the ring and then pulled off the pouch. Then I stretched on the Pro pouch onto the bottom section and tightened back on the ring with the cap. Gave that a couple of tests, then put on my speed loader in the same way. Now if I twist the ring, it'll eject a ball into the pouch and be ready to fire. So all we have to do now is some target practice. I'm impressed overall. I've been practicing with it for a few days, and I'm still not the most accurate, but I think I can get the hang of it with some more practice. So I'm excited to try this some more in the future, as well as some of their other products like the arrow pouch. Now another thing to note is that when I was using my homemade one, the ammo didn't leave the barrel and instead smacked my hand. And to be honest, it kinda hurt. But I fired the actual Pocket Shot at least 100 times now, and I haven't had an instance like that once. It's designed well and definitely packs a punch. So if you're looking for a fun new activity, or have been looking for a pocket slingshot, the Pocket Shot might just be for you. Links to their website can be found in the description below. So big thank you to Pocket Shot for hooking me up. They were a lot of fun to test. But that's it for me today. Till next time, I'm off to go fire my Pocket Shot some more. See ya.